for watching. Today's video is going to be about how to be better at Google searching and make the most use out of EasyBib in Google Docs. So let's get started right away. Here's my first research tip. Google has these cheat codes and they seldom get used by anyone. If you just put the word site:.gov or site:.edu in part of your search, it will take you to only government websites. So here's a Google search sample. My topic is sodium levels and what's healthy amount to have in your food. And I notice I added on a .gov.jm because I'm looking for local Jamaican websites. So if I did that search, you would see that I turn up only .gov.jm results in my search and nothing else. And let's say I picked this article. I found it to be reliable because it's relatively new and from a credible source and from a government website. Now, how do I make use of this? Well, you're going to want to get an account with EasyBib and then integrate that with your Google Docs. EasyBib works in a couple of ways. It works as a Chrome extension, so you Google EasyBib, Chrome extension. You find that in the Google Web Store, and you add it to Chrome. So now the EasyBib lives at the top by your search bar. So here's my new EasyBib button. So when I find an article that I like this one here, all I do is go up here and I press the EasyBib button and it starts to figure out what I want to do. So I would choose a project. I don't have a project set for this yet, but I could, let's say, drop into that project. I could cite it on EasyBib, and while I'm looking at this article, I could continue to fill in more information in case they didn't get it right on here. And EasyBib is not perfect, so we have to help EasyBib fill in the right information. So once all this is done, we would create citation and it will be saved for us on the EasyBib website. And it's ready for us to make another one. Another way to use EasyBib is to go into Google Docs and go to your add-ons. This is another kind of little store for things that are built into Google Docs. So you would say get add-ons, and again you search EasyBib. You don't have to, it's very popular. It's a giant ad for it. I click free, that's a pretty good price. And it asks me if I want to add it on there. I will say I'll allow it. And now EasyBib is under my add-ons menu. So check out how great it is to use this. I'm going to go to EasyBib, Bibliography Creator, Manage Bibliography, and it pops out on the side. So I'm going to throw away my other results. I go back to the website. I grab that web address, copy and paste. I go back to my Google Doc. I come over here. I enter a website. Paste the URL. I search, make sure it's in the right style that I want for my English department. I say that's the right title, that's the right article. I select it. And once I'm all done gathering all my sources, I would add this to the bibliography and it goes right there under the body of my report. So there's my works cited as created by EasyBib. And once again, EasyBib is not perfect. It does weird things like insert the word by where it shouldn't be. So always verify that you have the correct information. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.